we actually have a pretty powerful continuous improvement team where we set goals for cost savings on current departments across the entire plant. Every department is part of the continuous improvement process. So we used to do it inherently in the work the way we operated. And now we actually have continuous improvement teams where we're looking for cost savings and we're looking for how we can help improve our profitability on a lot of the products we manufacture.
And how does a continuous improvement team operate? You just like give me
so we'll have a meeting with some of the supervisors. They'll document an idea of what, across the whole department, that if someone thinks there's something that we could do better, or if there's if I
wasted
had a right
process,
or maybe if you made me a different basket, I would put these parts in this thing and I would be able to do 3 times more, or I could do it faster, or we would reduce the cycle time, things like that. I mean, it's not necessarily all the highest skilled people. It could be absolutely anybody that can come up with an idea. So we have a way of capturing that those ideas and thoughts into a document, and it gets presented to the team, and they'll make it an actionable item, at their meetings, and they'll work to promote the right ideas that give the faster cost improvements. Even if it's spending capital to make an investment for cost improvements, that's something the team's willing to do. And that's what we do as an organization.